In this video, we will show you how to set homepage in Google Chrome. When you open the Chrome browser like this, it just open the default Chrome homepage. To setting your own homepage, for example, your website address, just click setting in this menu. Okay, choose settings. Then select on startup and open a specific page or set of page. Okay, click this and you can create a new page. For example, type https weardata.com. This is for our sites. You can click it, and whenever you close the Chrome and start the browser, it will automatically open your web page. Let's see if this works or not. Okay, and it works. That's all tutorial how to set homepage in Google Chrome. Hope this video helpful for you.